Ismail Naurdiev is set to go down against uncrackable, indestructible Marvin Vettori, and I think he is going to have a very difficult mission. Marvin Vettori is not an easy guy to crack, and I've never seen somebody finishing Vettori easily. Every single fight of Marvin Vettori was a slugfest. He had some of the most brutal strikes to the chin. Like Vettori is known for his gold chin, and Ismail Naurdiev has decent finishing ability, but not decent enough to finish Marvin Vettori. Expect a technical fight where both fighters will be hitting heavy shots, and I hope Vettori is ready. I mean, he's always ready, but I hope Naurdiev is also ready for this kind of war. I'm expecting this one to go all the way, and I'm gonna say over 2.5. If I must pick a side, I'd risk with Vettori, man. Vettori is a decision god. Can't wait for it.